I'm Electric Dragon and I've created the soundtrack for Rollerdrome. I'm definitely a gamer myself, so to be given this opportunity now for me is just... I was tasked with almost creating a new genre for this, because the sort of the synthwave, which is where I've come from in recent years, and for it to be more 70s. It's been really refreshing to dive into the 70s, and I kind of don't want to come out. Yeah, well, I definitely wanted the warmth of analogue. Analogue gear is just so different, and everything really hands-on as well. Just absolutely love it. I can sit and fiddle with this damn thing for hours on its own and achieve absolutely nothing but be grinning ear to ear. I've also been using modular synth, Euro-rack stuff, which really lets you get your fingers into the guts of a synthesizer. You know, the spaces between the spaces that you just can't really get in there with the sort of linear signal flow of a complete synthesizer. I think going modular is going to be probably where I stay now for future albums. I think one of the bigger creative challenges was probably the guys who moved in next door were renovating the property from top to bottom and completely gutting it next door, so it was kind of through the wall, and there's me having to just go downstairs, leave the room and just, oh God, I just can't work in this. I think my job was to keep things moving in terms of the gameplay, you know, you have to have a driving beat there. I think one challenge for me was don't do drop downs, breakdowns too much. Got to keep the track hitting while to drive the action forward. So that was very different to what I've been used to doing. And actually, that kind of helped me to kind of really just go for it a lot more with that in mind. I wasn't really thinking so much about an album listener experience with all its peaks and troughs so much as something that was just kill people to this music. Roll 7 are just absolutely brilliant to work with. I kind of didn't know what to expect working with a game developer, and how specific everything would be, how regimented or rigid it will all be, but no, they've just been so enthusiastic, and that's kind of really infectious. Really great team to work with. I would very much like to again.
PlayStation